Samsung is preparing a significant software update for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, aimed at enhancing both functionality and user experience. This upcoming update will introduce several key features that were missing at launch. One of the most anticipated additions is the integration of the media player with the Now bar, allowing users to access media controls more conveniently from the status bar and notification panel. The update will also bring new charging animations and improve live notifications, including the addition of a music player within the notification shade for a more streamlined experience. Alongside these visual and functional enhancements, the stable version of One UI 7 is expected to start rolling out in April 2025, with the Galaxy S25 series among the first to receive it. Users are encouraged to keep their devices charged and connected to Wi-Fi to ensure a smooth update process. This rollout reflects Samsung's ongoing commitment to delivering timely improvements and maintaining a high-quality experience for Galaxy S25 Ultra users.